Hi. So fonts can make or break a design. So if you are using Canva, you are probably wondering which fonts are best, free and legally safe to use. So in this video I am sharing 26 best fonts, fully commercially ready to use and copyright free, and you can get them for free. Even if you are using a free Canva account, still you can use them. And few doubts I'll clear with you, and I'll show you some websites where you can get unlimited fonts for free and you can use them. And at the end of the video I will show you how you can upload those fonts, how you can install on Canva and you can use. So these are the topics we are going to cover. Okay, means you are going to learn basically. First of all, 26 fonts. I'll show you the names and everything, the fonts looks, everything I'll show you. Now the second doubt, can I use fonts from Creative Fabrica on Canva? Okay, so suppose you are getting the fonts from Creative Fabrica or Envato Elements, okay, wherever it is. So if you can use them or not, okay, that one also I'll cover. Next one, I'll show some free nice Canva fonts to download them. This is the first website. Second website, again free fonts for fully commercial use. Okay, you can download and use them commercially. Third website, 40 free fonts for cursive scripts. Okay, so basically these fonts will help you to win more projects. Fourth website will be best fonts for wedding and invitations. Fifth will be Pinterest pairings related fonts. And sixth, no login required, you can download them, free fonts. And last one, actually last website will be free fonts, you can download unlimited times. Okay, and finally I'll show you how you can install free Canva fonts. Once you download, how you can install them on Canva. Okay, so let's get started with the video. So first of all, 26 free fonts I'll show you. This is the list. Okay, you can see from 1 to 26. Now the catch is here, not all fonts are free. So where it is mentioned free, these are the fonts are free. Okay, like Nectarine, Brown Sugar, Check, Oregano, The Seasons, these are free. And where it is required Canva Premium, okay, so here you need Canva Pro to use. Okay, now I'll show you the free fonts only. I'll tell the name and the fonts I'll show you. Okay, so the second onwards, these are free. Nectarine free, Brown Sugar, Check, Oregano, The Seasons, and you can also pause the screen if you want to see how it looks. And then Bangers, Stencil comes with Canva Pro. Then Great Vibes, Sego, Stars and Love, Gyaza, Monotone, Celandine, Black Mango, Sergio Tendri, Mags, Josephine's Lab, Ashing, Catchy Mega, Hygiene Elegant, Pottery. Yeah, so these are the fonts. I think almost 20, near about 20 fonts are free. Okay, completely for free. Next, if you watch this video, you will find few more informations and more fonts. The list is unlimited, so I would request you watch this till the end. And just I want to request you that you can follow our channels. Okay, if you have not yet, we have published many videos already related to designs. Okay, Photoshop, Canva, Illustrator. You can see lots of videos we already published, like how you can remove the background, how you can add face slice effects, okay, text stroke, everything we have published. And we also have many shorts videos. Just you can subscribe our channel, and all the links will be there in the description box so that you can check them. So let's move to our second doubt I am going to answer, which is, can I use fonts from Creative Fabrica on Canva? The answer is absolutely yes, you can use it. Okay, so if this answer is yes, so Envato Elements fonts, which you will get completely for free, you can see. So these are some of the files, but I'll only talk about the fonts. So for this month, Envato is giving this lemon tart font completely for free. Just you have to have one account, and then you can download them, and then you can use also for free commercial purpose also. Okay, so Creative Fabrica and Envato Elements, all fonts and whatever websites I'm going to show you now, you can use for commercially, okay, without any copyright issues. So these are the things, and just you can pause the screen and you can see what are the free files you are getting with this for this month, and every month you will get, okay, free fonts you will get every month. So the links will be there, you can bookmark it, and you should check it every month. Not only fonts, you will get so many things like PPT presentation files you will get, okay, and you will get web templates also, then Lightroom presets, okay, then some kinds of music tracks also you will get, okay, MP3 files, then flyers you will get, okay, so many things you will get. You can just check it, video footages also. So now our next yes, so here if you come to this Creative Fabrica, there is actually one section called free files. Okay, so completely for free. So for this video purpose, I have taken this one, loving, and just I'll show you here also. Free files segments are there. Okay, so this there is completely a section, okay, where you will get so many free files, okay, on Creative Fabrica. So this purpose, just one I'm just going to showing you, that is loving this font. Okay, you can see this is completely for free, and you can just readily access, and you can use for commercial projects and get 10 downloads 100% free. Okay, and you can comment me if you want to get that particular link for Creative Fabrica free files, okay, free fonts. I'll paste it in the descriptions. Okay, so now let's move to our second website. This website is actually mainly designed, fully designed for the fonts only. Okay, you will not get anything else. Okay, so 100% dedicated for fonts. And this page, okay, particularly this page is all the fonts I'm showing you. You can see they have, even this is only the font page, first page, and here more than 50 fonts are there. And you can see here we have 5 pages plus next button. Okay, so you can imagine how many you will get from here. Okay, so these are the resources you should consider. Just you bookmark if you need fonts time to time, so you can check them. Okay, all are free of cost. And now I'll show you one example, like this summer bundle. Okay, you will get a bundle completely for free. Here free fonts of the week, 6 days are remaining. Okay, the deal will expire in 6 days, so they run these kind of deals continuously, so you don't worry about it. So in these free font bundles, so basically this is 10 USD. You can see normally the price is 10 USD, but this time it is completely for free. And here you will get all these fonts, 20 plus fonts you will get in this bundle. You should check them out. Okay, so again just let me show you some of the shorts. Earlier this page didn't load, so you can see we have published so many shorts in our channel. If you like, you can just visit and you can watch them. It will definitely help lots and lots of views values, okay, in your projects and in your life. So just let's move to our next website, which is basically cursive fonts. Okay, so these are very popular Canva cursive fonts to gain more projects, okay, graphics related projects. You will get more if you use these cursive fonts. Okay, some of them are dancing script, like Petit format script, then Sister Pamela, then we have Berlin liners. Okay, so you can see the fonts look like this, Titinook script. Okay, then Italiano. Next website is for wedding invitations. So few fonts are very special for invitations, wedding, birthday, all these purposes. So some of them are like, you can use these fonts. Okay, here are the complete list. Montserrat also you can use, then Cable, Railway, Kiona, Oswald. Okay, these are basically very common fonts we use. And for elegant invitations, these are some of the fonts. And here also you will find different fonts. Okay, so from this list you can use the fonts for the wedding, invitations and birthday purposes. Okay, next we have next, these are the fonts mainly for this one, Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest based font pairings for Pinterest. So I'll just show you the list. Here are top 10 list. If you want, you can just pause the video and you can take a look closely. Okay, so this is the complete list I have shown you for Pinterest pairing. Now these last two are my favorite, because from this website you will get unlimited fonts without any login or sign up. Okay, you can see they have they have mentioned 100% free over here. Okay, 100% free and download button. And when you will find one thing I want to tell you, if they have mentioned for personal use, so you can't use this font for commercial purposes. If they have not mentioned anything like this, so you can't use it for commercially. Okay, so just you should be a little bit careful on this part. Now our last but not least, that is here you will get unlimited downloads. Okay, but account is required. You have to log in. First you create the account, sign up, and then log in. So you can see you will get lots and lots of fonts completely for free and dedicated for fonts purposes only. Okay, these websites. Okay, there will be filters. If you want, you can just add some filters. This is commercially free. So once you will check this, you will get all the fonts that are ready to use for commercial purposes. Okay, you can see. And now I'll show you, before ending the video, I want to show you how you can upload or install the fonts. Okay, so first you go to this, very easy. In this you can see, once you open any of your design, you will find this section. Just you click on the text, and then left hand side you will find this font section. Once you click the fonts, you will find here upload a font. Okay, but for that you need a pro account. Okay, Canva pro account, so that you can upload the fonts, and the fonts format should be this one, you be careful, the fonts format should be .ttf or .otf files. Okay, so you have to upload this kind of files, font files. So when you will download for any of the websites I have shown you, they will give you either .ttf or .otf files only, so that you can easily upload those fonts on Canva and use them. Okay, so hope you find this video helpful. Please comment your valuable feedbacks, whatever you want to share. I'll definitely reply them if I missed anything, and please like this video so that YouTube will feel happy. Thank you so much. Take care. Don't forget to check the links in the descriptions and our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.